Lord Chaitanya emphasizes two things. He emphasized the importance of chanting the holy names of the Lord. That was foremost. But Vaishnava relationships are practically on the same level as chanting Harinam, because the stronger and more genuine our Vaishnava relationships, the more the holy name is available to us in our practice.
Najbolj všeč mi je bil včerajšnji kirtan.
Je tale kirtan
včerajšnji kirtan?
Kirtani.
Kirtani su ludnica. Nisam bio godinama na boljim.
Kirtan. Prečerajšnji kirtan.
Nori kirtan.
Kirtan. Kirtan.
Kirtan.
Kirtans.
The most amazing thing was the kirtans. We had kirtans like I had never seen before. The enthusiasm was good.
This is something which is truly far out.
Neverjetni so.
Noro.
Ker je bil noro.
Kjer smo plesali.
Taki hudi kirtani.
Fantastičan.
A ni bil krasen? A imaš kaj posnet?
Ta del lahko spustiš.
Govorani.
Meni je bil presadan.
Prasadam.
Prasadam je u izobilju.
Prasadam.
Indeed, hundreds of devotees were engaged in cleansing all around the temple, and Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was personally carrying out the operation just to instruct others.
Prava Indija.
Da se tako dobro odvija. To je pa lahko Gurudeva do tako. To je najbolj.
Ma ne moram srati.
Pomivanje posode.
Itak seminarji.
Lekcije.
The Lord was inclined to give them whatever they want because of their friendly behavior towards each other.
I like seminars.
The principle of friendliness, affection, and service to Vaishnavas destroys all possibilities of pride, envy, and many of the other anarthas.
Lekcije so bile čudovite, polne.
Krishna comes through that name when the devotee is non-envious, the devotee is humble, the devotee is in the mood of service. It's not a qualification for chanting, it's a mood of devotion that allows for the holy name to manifest.
Kar malo včasih prepolne za moj ego.
Nemam primjedbe, ekstatično skroz.
Vzdušje, narava.
Lahko spim v kozavcu.
Všeč mi je bilo vse. Veliko bakti.
Bakte.
Ta skupinski duh služenja, tudi da Vajšnave služiš in tako naprej. Evo, zdaj grem pomit krožnik.
Že imajo oddani pekne vstahi. Nice relationship between devotees.
I present you Lalita Govinda. Ti si čisti bhakt.
On je čisti bhakt. Čisti bhakt.
All the devotees are čisti bhakta. Basta.
Pa sploh vzdušje, ta radost, veselje, to je bilo, jaz bi kar vse objel.
Tukaj doživljamo take lepe trenutke v družbi bhakt, ki jih nikjer prej nisem doživljal. Spoznal sem tudi veliko bhakt, njihove vrline, njihove skrite emocije so udarile ven. sem se marsikaj navadil.
Affection and the nice service and of all the devotees. You come here and you just really feel like you're among friends that you've known all your life. Even if you haven't met people before, you feel like you've come home, that you're back in the spiritual world. It's a very sweet atmosphere.
I was happy to come, and I'll come again.